So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain issue in Redmi 14C device. So guys, if you are facing the battery drain issue, so all you guys have to do, just go to settings, and first of all you have to go to battery option. Okay, so in this section we have an option of a current mode here. Right now the battery is on balanced. It's mean it gives us 10 hours and 19 minutes. But if we're talking about the battery saver, so it gives us 12 hour and 41 remaining. And if you're talking about the ultra battery saver, so it gives us 33. You can set up according to you, right? If you want to set battery saver, you can set a battery saver mode, so it will give you more time. As you guys see, battery saver is now on, so it also fixes your draining issue. Now if we're talking about additional settings, so set this clear cache when device is locked, so you can set it up in 5 minutes. After that guys, just go back and then comes to apps option. So in this section we have an option for manage apps, so just tap on the manage apps and then click on background auto start. So these are all the applications which will be started in background automatically. Make sure you have to turn these applications off so that they will not consume any battery. And that is it guys. So through this method you guys can fix your battery draining issue, and that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.